Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP has reacted again to that communicated support zone. We talked about that in recent videos, in recent months, actually. I mean, this support area has been on the chart, I think, for, well, I don't know, a year, half a year, whatever. It's relevant, or it's been relevant since we formed that price top in July 23. And the price dipped into this support area, in a corrective pullback. It's a clear three-wave move down, and I've labeled it as an X wave, which is a corrective pattern and consists of probably a WXY structure itself. I don't need to label that. So it's a corrective pullback into support, and we've seen a somewhat noticeable reaction to that support area back in July, and then again in August. And then again in November. And the idea or the forecast, if you recall previous videos, is still that we have a good chance to get into this target area that's labeled there with wave C in white or wave D in yellow. Okay, so the idea is we're overall in a triangle pattern. There's a bullish and bearish version of this triangle. In the short term, it doesn't matter which one it is, because even in the yellow scenario, which is bullish, let me show you, A, B, C, D, E, and then upside breakout. Even there, we should go up first, form a higher low breakout, or in the bearish, let's say the bearish count, where the triangle starts a little later, we have an A, B, C, D, E, bear market. In both cases, we were watching for a reaction to support, and for the price to get to that $1.26 to $1.99 area. The next key level to watch is here, this kind of 66 cent level. It's not exactly that level, so if we get to 67, it doesn't mean we have a breakout, but in previous videos we divided that triangle sort of in half. I put a horizontal line in there just to see, okay, is there a level that seemingly distinguishes bullish from bearish momentum? And as long as we stay below this kind of 66, 67 cent level, we seem to be in bearish momentum, or at least sideways, lower half of the triangle. And only a few times we managed to break out. So you see clearly a difference in sentiment and momentum if we get a break above that level. Now we're trying to at the moment. So I think it's something to watch. We're just trying it again. Failed in October, failed in August, July, failed in March, failed in November last year, So idea is now we could be on our way higher. I have had a look at the microstructure earlier today. It's not very impressive. So I can't, it's not high confidence. But if this C wave, as you can see it there, the microstructure in this move to the upside of the larger C wave or the larger D wave, which are corrective Elliott wave patterns. So the subwaves are corrective, right? If this is really what's happening, then we're likely dealing with wave C of A at the moment. The A wave itself is a three-wave pattern. Then we should get a B wave pullback and another C wave up. So A, B, C. Just to show you that, A, B, C in wave A, because A waves can be three-wave movements. But that would only complete the A wave, then a B wave pullback, and then a C wave up. That's how I think it should unfold, but we obviously need to get a break above that yellow line first. That would be the condition. And then get into this sort of, blue Fibonacci target area for it's just the next Fibonacci zone that's relevant, that should be reached if we're dealing with wave C and A. And it is located between 83.8 cents and $1.17. Why is that the case? Because if we're really dealing with an internal C wave, one second, then we know that an internal C wave has a target. First ideal target is the 100% extension. I mean, do we have to get there? Is anything guaranteed in these markets? No, but it's about getting areas or understanding what the areas of probability are that the price should reach, and where also the price should face some resistance and possibly start the next pullback. It's the best we've got, really. And first we need to get above that, structural resistance. Then Elliott wave will help us to understand what are the next key pivots to watch. And I think it's clear on the chart, 83.8 cents, 95.2, $1.03 and $1.17 as next levels. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a member, you get access to this long-term chart, like Tradingview live chart, as well as our short-term micro counts for XRP. They don't always need to be updated, because the XRP chart hasn't really done much in recent months, but you get access to these live charts as silver and gold member, and you can just check them at your own convenience, copy them into your own Tradingview, whatever, in addition to obviously a lot of other benefits. So check it out if you're interested. By the way, on Sunday, we are probably going to talk about, in our member live stream, every Sunday we do it at 5 p.m. UTC, when the bull market will top, and also, about altcoin seasons. At least, you can vote for a topic for our live stream every week on Discord. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be the winner. So if that's interesting for you, check it out. Hope you like the update. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.